Has your refrigerator ice maker stopped working? In this short video, I'll show you a simple solution you can easily do to get your ice maker working again. What I'll demonstrate here may not work for everyone, but it does solve a very common problem in refrigerator ice makers. So please try this tip before calling a repairman. The problem I have is that my ice maker just suddenly stopped making ice. And the thing to check is the water inlet tube in the ice maker. On my side-by-side fridge, the water inlet tube is easy to locate because it's here in the front. This was the cause of my problem. Somehow water remained in the tube and then it froze, maybe from a slow drip. And when I reach in, I can actually feel the ice on the end of the tube. It was basically an icicle. At this point, do not try to break the ice from the inlet tube. Instead, do this. Grab a hairdryer and set it on low or medium heat. Use the warm air to slowly melt the ice in the water supply tube. This will take several minutes and is completely safe to do. But absolutely do not try to speed this up with a high heat setting. You might accidentally melt critical parts in the freezer. After a couple of minutes, reach in again and check and see if there's still ice hanging from the inlet tube. Then repeat with the hairdryer as necessary. Once the ice is gone, the ice maker will be able to fill with water and start making ice again. As mentioned earlier, the inlet tube on my fridge was easy to access. But if you have something like this bottom freezer with the ice maker in the back, it's going to be a bit more challenging to get in there. But the defrosting process will basically be the same using the hairdryer on low heat. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all my DIY repair videos.